Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Before we get on with our shawarma recipe, we would like to respond to a few queries we got regarding the Thoum or the garlic sauce recipe. One of the questions that we got was that the Thoum that they made was not mayo consistency like we showed in our video, and it was rather runny and watery. Now this one of the things could be because of the jar. Now the jar that I have here is the small jar. This is the jar in which you should make your Thoum. Every time I make my Thoum in this big jar, it doesn't come out to the thickness and the consistency that I like. So I made Thoum a few days before, and you can see that this is my Thoum, and it is so thick that it doesn't even fall out. So this is the consistency of Thoum. Another reason why your Thoum is runny could be because of the ice. Now, when you put ice in your jar, there has to be only 3 or 4 medium-sized pieces of ice. If your ice was sitting in a bowl, do not add the water, because if you add the water, that does not mix well with the oil and it just becomes runny. It has to be ice and ice only. If you do add water, then your Thoum will be runny. Another reason that your Thoum could be runny is because your blades got too hot, and you cannot skip on the ice. You have to put the ice to keep the blades of the mixer nice and cool. If it gets too hot, it starts to split, and that could be one reason why your Thoum was runny. The second question that we got was regarding the taste of Thoum. Some people found it way too garlicky. Now, we did say to use 15 cloves of garlic, but that is the size of that's for garlic that we get in India. So the size of the garlic that we get in India is much smaller than the size of the garlic we get in US. So this is the garlic that we get in US, and 1 clove is the size is about 8 grams in weight. So if you have such huge pieces of garlic cloves, we suggest you use about 10 cloves of garlic rather than 15 cloves of garlic. In today's video, you will see that we mix the Thoum with a little bit of mayonnaise to give it the right consistency and to bring down the garlic taste a little bit, because I do not like garlic so much, but my sisters love it. So they just spread a little bit of Thoum directly onto their shawarma.
So let's make some shawarma. We will start with seasoning the chicken. Here I have 500 grams of chicken tenderloin. If you like dark meat, you can use boneless chicken thighs as well. Now to this chicken, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of allspice powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, and mix well to coat all the pieces of the chicken evenly. I know allspice powder is not readily available everywhere. If you don't have allspice powder, we have substitution for it in the description box below. This marinade is towards the dry side. You can see that the chicken is pretty well coated. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes to overnight. I prefer to marinate my chicken the night before. For best results, I recommend that you do the same. Heat a large pan and drizzle about 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Add the marinated chicken in and fry till it's cooked through. Do not overcrowd the pan, as it would steam the chicken and the juices would run out. Make sure not to overcook it, as it would get dry. Fry the chicken in medium to medium high flame so that there are some slight charring on the bottom. This will give a similar flavor to the char obtained from a grill. Once your chicken is cooked through, let it rest till it is cool to touch. This will let the juices in the chicken redistribute.
To make the garlic sauce, mix 1.5 tablespoons of Thoum with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. That is 1:2 ratio. If you don't want to use mayonnaise and keep it completely egg-free, you can use Greek yogurt instead.
Your garlic sauce is ready. Now we shall assemble the shawarma. First, thinly slice the prepared chicken. Set it aside in a bowl. We shall use homemade kuboos and garlic sauce. If you haven't seen the video on how to make kuboos and Thoum, we shall provide the link to it in the description box below. Take a wax paper and set a kuboos in the middle. Spread some garlic sauce onto it. You can add as much or as little as you like. I love the sauce, so I added quite a bit of it. Now the fixins. I have thinly sliced onions, chopped tomatoes, lettuce and the prepared chicken here. First, add as much chicken as you like on top of the kuboos. Then top it with lettuce, the chopped tomatoes and then the onions. Tightly wrap the shawarma in the wax paper. Twist the paper at the ends to seal it. Your shawarma is ready. Since my husband hates vegetables, I made a shawarma with just the chicken and garlic sauce. The chicken is so flavorful that it's awesome even without the fixins. If you like, you can also add pickled beetroot, pickled carrots or green chilies. Your delicious shawarma is ready. Hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Until next time, happy cooking.